Hello friends, in today's question, an open pipe is in resonance with second harmonic and the frequency is given with frequency as f1. Now one end of the tube is closed and the frequency is increased to f2 and such that resonance again occurs in the nth harmonic. So we have to choose one of the correct option, or we can say we have to find out the value of n and the relationship between f2 and f1. So in the first case we are given that our pipe is open. So open means both end is open. Okay, start from there only. So we have the open pipe, and in this open pipe the harmonic frequencies are given by the formula. The harmonic frequencies are given as Fn will be equal to n multiplied by V and divided by 2L, where this value of n, it varies from 1, 2, 3 and so on, and V is the velocity and n is the length. So according to the question, it is given that it is for second harmonic, so we can modify this equation. So we say for second harmonic, the pipe is at resonance with frequency and the frequency is given as f1. So we can write is equal to f1 will be equal to 2v divided by 2l, and here 2 and 2 cancels out, so this comes as v upon l. And for a closed pipe it is said that it is in the nth harmonic. We say for closed pipe we can write the harmonic frequency is given by the harmonic frequency is given by, and it is given as Fn, and it is our n multiplied by V and divided by 4L, where this value of n is our 1, 3, 5 and so on. So it means only odd harmonics exist. Okay. So from here we can say that only odd harmonics. And in the question it is given that the closed is at for the nth. So there is no need to modify the equation, but we just found out that our F1 is our V upon L and our Fn is equal to n upon 4 multiplied by V upon L. So we substitute value of V upon L, so this comes as n upon 4 times F1. So we get the relationship between our nth harmonic and F1. So we say our Fn is equal to n upon 4 F1. And now let us analyze the options that are given to us one by one and try to sort it out. So let us check option number A. Option A, and it is given that our value of n is 5 and we have our f2 is equal to 5 upon 4 times f1. And it means if we put n is equal to 5 in this equation, let us call this equation number 1. So we say that for n is equal to 5, equation 1, we get f of 2 is equal to 5 upon 4 times f1. So it means this option number A is correct option, okay, because for n equal to 5 the relationship is given because this is our option A. Okay, so we can say that option A, or let me write, so we can say it is one of the option. It is one of correct option. Now let us try the option B. And option B, it gives us that value of n is equal to 3 and we get f2 is equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by f1. So we substitute value of n is equal to 3 in equation 1. So we say from equation 1 at n is equal to 3, we get f2 is equal to 3 by 4 times f1. So this is also one of the correct option. Okay, so you can say this is also one of the correct option. This is also one of correct option. Now there is no need to check, you can say option B and, sorry, not option B, but I wrote, I think, yeah, my mistake. Option B was our n is equal to 3. Oh, 1 second. Sorry. Option A. So this was option A, my mistake. This was our option A. And we have n is equal to 5 is our option C. This is option C. Okay. And for other option, that is B and D, so let me write it here. We have option B, which gives us that for n is equal to 3, we should be getting f2 is equal to 5 by 4 times f1. So obviously this is not true. So we can say not correct option. Similarly, we can check our option D also. Option D, it gives us that for n is equal to 5, we should be getting f2 is equal to 3 by 4 times f1. So which is also not true. So we can say not correct option. Not correct option. So we found out that option number A and C are the two correct options. But in the question, it is a single correct. Okay, so we have to further solve it out. So we get that option A and C are correct option. So let me write it here. Our option A, it gives us that for n is equal to 3, we have f2 is equal to 3 by 4 times f1, and we have option C, which gives us for n is equal to 5, we have f2 is equal to 5 by 4 times f1. And in the question, it is mentioned that the frequency is increased to f2. Therefore, we can say that as frequency is increased to f2, therefore our f2 is greater than f1. If f2 is greater than f1, so we can write that f2 upon f1 will be greater than 1. So we are going to check option A as well as option B to find out which is going to satisfy this condition. So A, so from A, we get f2 by f1 is equal to 3 by 4, and f2 by f1 is greater than 1, so this means 3 is greater than 4, so which is not correct. Okay. So we can say not satisfying the given condition. Not satisfying the given condition. And let us check option B, or we can say from B, we have f2 upon f1 is equal to 5 upon 4, and which is greater than 1, and this gives us 5 is greater than 4. Therefore, this satisfies the given condition. This satisfies the given condition. So option B will be the correct option. So we can say that, no, sorry, not option B, but option C will be the correct option. Option C is the correct one. C, this is should be C, my mistake. This is our C. So we can say option C is correct because it satisfies the given condition. Okay. So this question was quite simple, except a little